We'll guide you through how to download and use Facebook on your smart TV or Android TV. To do this, just take your remote and go to your Play Store. Open Play Store.
Okay.
Now go to the search option and search here for browser. You can see the browser app, this browser app. Search for this and install this. I have already installed this. Just click open. Now you will see this browser interface. Just need to go to the Facebook option. Yeah, this is Facebook. Click here, or you can type the Facebook URL there. Okay, click on Facebook. Now you need to enter your email ID or password. And if you're entering the password or email with this remote, don't use this. I'm suggesting you use Google TV application. Just connect this application to your TV and you can type your password easily. You can see I'm typing on my phone and typing there. It is very fast. Okay. Now it will say that check your notification on another device where you have login your phone. So in my phone there is an application from Facebook. Just click notification from Facebook. Click this and accept it. Yes, it is me. Just click here and click on finish. Now within a second it will load it in your TV. Just click not now. Now click trust this device. That's how you can use Facebook in your TV. Okay.